So today in this video we'll show you how you can promote your Max Bounty CPO offers on Reddit. So we'll show you everything step by step. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before we choose the offer that we are going to promote today using Reddit, I want to tell you that whenever you are using social media platforms to promote your affiliate or CPO offer, always make sure you choose an offer that's attractive, because whenever we are using social media platform, then we have to work upon interruption based marketing. So we have to grab the attention of the user. So always make sure you choose an offer that's attractive. The more the attractive the offer, the more CTR, the more conversion rate we are going to get. So now let me just log in into my Max Bounty account where we will choose an offer. So I've logged into my Max Bounty account. The same way you have to also log in, and after logging you have to come on the search bar on the left hand side. You have to click on this, and once you click on this you will land here, and then we have to choose a geography. That means the country that we are going to target the offers from. So as we are going to use Reddit to promote our offer, and Reddit has mostly 90% of US traffic, so we are going to use US as the geo. And in categories we are going to choose survey offers, because survey comes under make money online category, and make money online offers are always attractive. So as I told earlier that we have to make sure that we are going to choose an offer that's attractive. So let's choose survey, and let's here choose approve to run. And now make sure that we choose only social traffic in the traffic type, because we are going to use Reddit and it comes on the social media. And now you have to click on this apply search option, and now you can see a lot of survey offers have appeared. So let's click on this EPC button here, so that they arrange according to high to low EPC. And let's open this offer LifePoint US desktop, and let's open another offer. Here's the offer Pinecone Research Survey. Let's open this also, and now let's analyze them. So here's offer LifePoint US desktop. So it means that desktop traffic is allowed on this offer. So we can't use this offer because Reddit is a social platform, and most of the people that using Reddit are going to use their mobile phone. So we don't want that we are just promoting an offer that allows desktop. So we have to make sure that we are choosing an offer that allows desktop and mobile also. And 100 actions per day is allowed, US state is allowed, and $3.75 we are getting per lead. And also we have to make sure that whenever we are choosing an offer for a social media platform, we have to make sure that whatever offer we are choosing, that offer should have something at least attractive in it, so that we can write it in the title or in the description, so that when someone reads it, they are going to click on that and they are going to convert. So make sure that whatever offer you are choosing, it should have something attractive in it and also valuable. Like here you can see here's written join our community of over 5 million members, and here's written LifePoint today earn 10 LifePoint just for signing up. So this can be a valuable thing, earn 10 LifePoint just for signing up. We can use this in a headline, but it's not that attractive. So let's analyze the second offer, that's Pinecone Research Survey. So this offer, and also social traffic is allowed on this offer, so that means we can easily promote this offer on Reddit. And also here it says all device operating systems is allowed. It means that a person using mobile and desktop can both fill our offer. So that's the best thing. And this campaign does not have a daily cap. It means 200 people or 500 people can also send leads at the same time. And let's see that does this have anything valuable. And it says user can become a member of Pinecone Research and opportunity to evaluate product before they hit the shelf, help shape the product they might buy. And here it's written a user will earn $3 per survey too. So this is a very valuable thing that they have written. It's very attractive, and we can definitely use in the headline. So this offer is pretty good because it has a good EPC also of 29 cents. The payout is also good. It's a double opt-in offer, and all devices allowed. And also here's written a user will earn $3 per survey too. So we are going to use this offer for the promotion today. Once you have chosen the offer, the next step is that we have to generate affiliate link of this offer. So we have to click on this build tracking link button here, and now we have to choose social, and here we have to choose raw link. And now you can see there, here comes our affiliate link. We have to simply copy this, and once you have copied this, the next step is that we have to shorten this URL, because you can see that this URL is very long. It's not that attractive, and we can't paste such a long URL in Reddit. So we have to make sure that we shorten this URL. So we are going to do this by using Bitly. So let me just log into my Bitly account. So I've opened my Bitly account. You can use other URL shorteners also in the market like go.gl or other. You can use them also. And now let's click on create, and here we have to paste our affiliate link. Copy this short URL, and once you have copied this, the next step is that we have to log in on Reddit account. So let me just log in. So I've logged into my Reddit account. The same way you have to also log in, and before you even consider anything to promote on Reddit, always make sure that you have enough karmas in your account. At least 500 karmas you need to have in your account before you consider any offer to promote on Reddit. If you want to know how to gain karmas in your Reddit account, I have already made a video on this topic in which I have explained everything step by step. So if you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in description, and in the I button you can click there and watch that video. I will highly recommend you to go and watch that video, because in that video I have given you a trick that through that you can easily gain karmas in your account. So make sure to watch that video. And now you have to open your Reddit account, and you have to click on this search bar here, and for every category there is a subreddit present in Reddit. Like you have groups on Facebook, the same way there are subreddits in Reddit, and we have to type here make money online, because we want to join the subreddit of make money online category, where we are going to promote our CPO offer Pinecone Research. And now you can see here comes a subreddit by the name work online, and it has 300,000 members in it. And you can see that I have already joined this subreddit. So let's click on this. The same way you have to also open the subreddit in whichever category you want to promote your offers in. Like we have chosen this work online subreddit because it comes under the make money online niche. So if you want to promote other category offers, so open subreddit of that category. And before you start promoting your offer, make sure you have joined these subreddit. And now you have to come here, and you have to make sure that you read all the rules that are written here, so you don't violate any policy. Because if you are going to violate their rules, then they are going to delete your post from this subreddit. And if you do that continuously, then they are going to permanently ban you from this subreddit. Like here you can see that they have written you must have at least 10 karma points to post. Don't just submit a referral link. And you can see here that they have written post comment relating to adult entertainment are not allowed. So make sure you read all those rules there, and then you have to click on this create post button here. And now we have to give a title to our post, and always make sure that we have to give a attractive title, because we want more and more people to see our post and click on our post. Then they are going to read the text that's written here, and then they are going to go on our offer and they are going to convert. So always make sure that you focus on creating a good headline or title. So as you can see, the CPO offer says here a user will earn $3 per survey too. So let's write here in title. So I've written the title. The title seems to be very basic, but it's very attractive title, because we have chosen an offer that has attractive things in it. That's why I told you earlier that always make sure to choose an offer that has attractive things in it and it's valuable too. And we have written here make $3 per survey, and in the text we have to write here everything about the offer. We don't just have to simply post our affiliate link here and so that people will see our post and they will click on it, because if we do that, then they are going to remove our post. So always make sure you add the value in your post, so that the user who is reading your post gets something from this post. So make sure you create a valuable post. So we can write here something like hello, I have found a really genuine survey website by the name Pinecone Research. I would highly recommend you to check this survey site, and here we can write referral link, and here we have to post our bit.ly link here, which is redirected on our affiliate link that we have copied from here. And below we have to write the website URL, because we don't have to simply paste our referral link here. We have to also give the link to the website. So we can write here in the Google Pinecone Research, and let's open this website and let's copy this URL, and now we have to paste this URL over here. So here you can see that we have given a title, a little description, and then we have to click on the post button here. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any doubt, you can ask them in the comments below. Till then, bye bye, take care.